Hey guys, welcome back to another AI tutorial, and in this tutorial we're gonna learn how to do face swaps in ComfyUI using ACE++. Now this is the best face swap model I've seen by far, and in this video we're gonna try some face swaps as well using this workflow. So first up, to try this face swap we're gonna need to download a few models, and I'm gonna teach you exactly how to do that. First up, we're gonna download these two. So we're gonna need FluxFill FP8 over here, and we're gonna need this one, ComfyUI Portrait LoRa 64. Now I'm gonna leave a link for both of these in the description, and you can open up these links and you can download this one, and then you're gonna download this one. When you download this one, it's gonna go into ComfyUI models and diffusion models. So it's here, and the second model you have downloaded, this one, it's gonna go to your ComfyUI folder, your models and loras. So you're gonna wanna paste it over here. Once you have downloaded these models, the rest of them you can directly go to ComfyUI manager and you can download. So we're gonna need this AE save tensors file. So you're gonna go to your ComfyUI manager, model manager, and you're gonna wanna write ae.save tensors, and you're gonna download this one. Next up, you can download this t5x underscore fp8, this one from here. So you're gonna write the exact name over here, and you're gonna download this one from here. Once you have downloaded these models, I'm gonna show you where you can get this workflow from. So you're gonna open up this link from the description box below. You're gonna click on download. Then once you have downloaded that, you can drag that image and you can drop it into your ComfyUI workspace, and you're gonna have the entire workflow. Now this workflow has three different groups. We're gonna explore them in detail, but first let's try the face swap. So I'm gonna upload two images. So I have uploaded two images over here, and I have written the prompt, retain the face and the smile, and we're gonna click on Q, and let's wait for the results. Okay, so the face swap is complete, and we have a smiley Joe here on the Wolverine, and as you can see, the details here are really good. Now we're going to discuss how this workflow is working. So as you can see over here, this ComfyUI workflow has mainly three components. The first one here is the flux fill group, and this group is responsible to apply the final face swap. So it will use the two images that we're producing over here to apply the face swap. Below that, first up we have the reference image group, and then we have the target image group. The image you upload over here, it's gonna extract the face from this image, and the image you add over here, it's gonna apply the face swap onto this image. So first up, after the load image nodes, this workflow is resizing both of these images, and then it's joining them into a single image. So as you can see over here, these images are now exactly same in size. So this is done to ensure compatibility of both of these images. So if you upload different sized images over here, this workflow will first resize those images into a single image. Then this workflow draws a mask over this image where the face swap is gonna be applied, and then it applies this mask on top of this joined image over here. So in this image, it has drawn the mask roughly where Joe's face is gonna appear. Next up, this mask and this image is provided to the flux fill group over here, and here we're using an in-painting node that is taking its positive and negative prompt from here, and then it applies the face swap and does in-painting to produce the final results over here. And as you can see, the final results look really awesome, and this is one of the best face swap models available on ComfyUI in my opinion. Next up, we're gonna try one more image. So I'm gonna change these images. Okay, so I have changed both the images. Let's see how the results turn up. And as you can see, we have our results over here. The face has been changed, so you can compare both the faces over here. So that's it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If you guys have any questions, feel free to let me know down in the comment section below. And yeah, thanks for watching the video.